Hi everyone, my name is Eitan and I'm a librarian here at the East Hampton Library in the Young Adult Department. For this month's DIY Community Service Take-Home project, we are making corner origami bookmarks. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So to make your origami corner bookmark, first you're going to take your square and fold it in half diagonally corner to corner to make a triangle. You're going to take one of the corners and fold it up to the top, just like that. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay. And then we're going to unfold it. We're going to take the top part of it and fold it down to the bottom. So we're only using one flap to fold it right down to the bottom. We're going to take the side, fold it back up, and tuck it right in. And going to do the same thing to the other side. Tuck it right in. Give it some nice folding and creasing. And you got your bookmark. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So you take your book. This one I'm using Cemetery Boys by Aidan Thomas. And once you're done reading, you just slide it right into the corner. And you got your bookmark. Also feel free to use markers and extra paper to decorate it and make it very fun. Enjoy and have a nice day.